distinguished speakers, guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. On behalf of the Federation of Hong Kong Industries, it is my great pleasure to welcome all of you to this International Industrial Automation Technology Forum. Traditional manufacturing is now facing a number of challenges. Design, innovation, and new technologies are important engines to maintain its sustainability and development. Driving forward Industry 4.0 and reindustrialization has become a major trend of Hong Kong manufacturers to gain competitive edge. Smart factory is generally characterized by the development of cyber-physical systems, intelligent robots, embedded systems and networks, as well as IoT and iOS to provide significant real-time quality responses. This can improve the planning and control of manufacturing and logistics, boost manufacturing flexibility, shorten innovation cycle, and increase production customization. Obviously, Industry 4.0 is a broad concept consisting of a profusion of elements. How Hong Kong SMEs step up on the way to become Industry 4.0? That's the question. High performance automation comes as standard in Industry 4.0. While many industries have long been using robots to tackle complex assignments, but using automation, information, technology, and IoT has become the first steps towards intelligent manufacturing. However, some advanced factories in the Pearl River Delta do not fully understand the importance of integration between the mature application of automation, IT systems, and it really has to begin with the design, the product design, not just at the end. Last July, I led a technology delegation to Germany. Some of my German trip friends are here today to learn more about the digitization, automation, and how German SMEs have adopted Industry 4.0. We gained valuable insights and had in-depth discussion on Industry 4.0 through factory visits and exchange with experts of research institutes. We also experienced how automation supports the entire value chain over the whole production cycle to make great strides in manufacturing efficiencies, flexibility, product quality, and customization. But just to make you feel a little better, Germany is also learning. A lot of SMEs still in the process. Most of the I 4.0 are being, exercised by the major companies. Back to Hong Kong, we understood that R&D is the paramount importance to continuously formulate innovative industry strategies for SME to upgrade themselves. However, SMEs usually do not have the capacity to look ahead and beyond their production to enter new areas. The investment in emerging technologies is far behind as they do not want to take the risk in adopting wrong technologies, which is understandable. Reindustrialization is much more than just automation. It really has to start with new ideas, new business directions. So this year, we saw a steady upward trend in the number of startups in Hong Kong. How do we capitalize on this? Leveraging startups' creativity, innovation, and technologies to help reinvent Hong Kong industries. Federation has set up the Hong Kong Startup Council last year to facilitate and foster strategic collaborations between startups and enterprises in various sectors. The Council recently launched a STARS program to nurture more new rising startups in Hong Kong. Startups with distinguished development potentials are selected and to pair with experienced mentors who will provide support and guidance on production. We hope to see more cross-sectional cooperations in the future. The traditional industries have all the background, network, financial strength, while the startups have all the ideas. If we can put them together, they give us much more strength and the sustainability direction. Of course, we have to talk about the government. The government's support for SMEs is very important. We are glad to see the government plans to make a substantial investment of $18 billion to enhance the innovation and technology ecosystem in accordance with the policy address of 2017. Such financial measure can offer support to promote reindustrialization, motivate the adoption of innovative technologies to upgrade the local industries into high-value added industries. Furthermore, the government will wisely invest in building a data technology hub in order to create a niche feature by big data, a significant element behind the drive for Industry 4.0 and automation. Therefore, the government's all-round support in technology startups, encouragement in R&D, and the digital development of information and communications will be transforming into a smart industry city, hopefully the region. Money makes the world go around. So the Federation has recommended the government to provide triple tax deduction incentives for companies to undertake R&D, product design, and brand building. We urge the government to consider this direct and effective way to attract industry to invest more and promote the innovation and technology development in Hong Kong. This idea is to allow the industry to decide what is most cost-effective, what they need to invest, rather than telling us what is good for us, because the industry knows. We will continue to make concerted efforts with other sectors to facilitate Hong Kong enterprises in transforming their manufacturing procedures to build solid ground for forging ahead towards Industry 4.0. Today's forum serves as an important learning and networking platform for industry automation professionals and users. We are honored to have over 20 distinguished speakers in the 2 days forum to share with us their insights. And I would like to take this opportunity to express our sincere gratitude to Dr. David Chung, the Undersecretary for Innovation and Technology, to be our guest of honor and deliver a speech for us later. I wish you all enjoy this rewarding forum and take good use of this platform to get tips on automation implementation and access practical insights from the industry leaders and companies. Thank you.